Welcome back. Now that you have your video, you are going to either want to download it or embed it to your website. Now to download the video from your personal profile, you're going to notice that at the three dots, you're not going to see an option to download the video. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to click on this post link. That's going to take you to this enlarged area. What you will then do is you will go to these three dots. You will then click this link that says download video. Once you come to your page, you'll find your video. You'll then see that you do not have the option again in order to download the video. So what you're going to want to do is come to your right side. You're going to expand the options. You're going to click videos. And then you're going to find the video. You're going to click on top of that video. You'll see the screen open here. And then you're going to go to these three dots. And you're going to be able then to download your video. If you are inside of your group, what you're going to do is you'll see your video here. What you'll do is you'll open up the video section. You'll click on top of the video that you want to download. That'll open up into the screen. You can go to the right-hand corner. Then you can download your video. And that is how you can download your video from all three locations. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.